I wanted to do a product in the spotlight today. This is the Plush Prep Mist. It's a really multi-use product. I am not normally someone who does or uses a primer. I am a wash my face, moisturize, maybe I'll have a toner or something, and then I'll do my SPF and go into my makeup. This product came out in, I believe, October, and I've been using it a lot. So now I usually put it on right after I do my SPF or moisturizer, depending on the time of day. And it is a great product because it primes your skin, it can set your makeup, and it can refresh your makeup. So it's like a 3-in-1 multi-use product. It's got several great ingredients. One is hyaluronic acid. This will hydrate your skin. It will bring more elasticity to your skin, and it will also reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, which we love, right? Don't we love that? And then there's glycerin in it. And glycerin is a humectant, which will help retain moisture in your skin. It also helps reduce redness, and it will protect your skin from environmental stresses, so like pollution, air quality, and things like that. And then it has caffeine, which helps promote circulation, and it brightens dull skin, and it supports collagen production. So that's also a really great ingredient to have in here. And then it has alpine flower extract, and that's just calms the skin. It reduces redness, and it'll even out the skin tone. So many great benefits. So I've already prepped my skin. I washed my face, I moisturized, I SPF'd, and I put on my Plush Prep Mist. So that's one way to use it. Another way, which I'm going to show you right now, is if you want to apply your makeup and aid in blending your cream foundation, this is also a really good way to do it. So I'm just gonna lightly put on my makeup like I always do. You could use a brush, same thing. I'm gonna do this sort of dot on kind of method so you can see how this is gonna work. So I'm just gonna dot on my makeup and put a little bit on my eyelids like this. And I'm gonna show you how amazing this is. Let me put my hair back a little bit so we can get to the forehead, because I wanna show you how it works with doing the contour as well. So I've got my main shades on like this, and then I'm gonna add in my contour. And I'm just gonna dot it on like this so you can kind of have an idea of what this is gonna look like. And when you do your makeup, whether you wanna use your fingers or not, this is a great way to use the Plush Prep Mist. So I'm just gonna do like this, right? And add my contour like I would normally, like that. And then a little bit on my nose, because we wanna do that, right? So there I've got all my makeup kind of placed where I want it. And then you can go in with your Plush Prep Mist, just like this. Be sure to shake it. You wanna make sure that you're shaking any kind of liquid product, because you don't want anything inside to sort of settle. You wanna make sure that all the ingredients are mixed up. I don't even know if this says to shake it, but I always recommend shaking it. And I like shaking it, so why not? So just hold it again away from your face. And there, you've got it. And you can do one of two things. You can let it dry, air dry a little bit, because you don't want it to be soaking wet when you go in with your brush. Or you could take a little fan like this. I love a little fan like this. Let's put this on. And you can dry it just a little bit like this. Or if you've got, so you've got different speeds, which I love. This is a great little tool, especially if you're gonna use something like a liquid primer, or you can fan it like this, and it dries pretty fast. I am gonna go in, now that it's, it feels pretty dry, I'm gonna go in with blush and bronzer brush, and I'm gonna show you, look how easy it is to blend. It's just so great. The product just moves and presses really well into your skin. And not that it wouldn't without it, but this is just a great way to aid in blending your cream foundation, which I love. So this is just another way that you can use it. And I love the fact that it has so many benefits for your skin that it really is almost like a skincare product, even though it's considered like a primer and a reset and a setting sort of spray. It definitely has the ingredients of skincare. So just make sure you blend really well like this. And as you can see, it's blending so easily. And let me show you the actual doing this you can see the dots of the contour. Look how easy this is going to be to blend. So much easier with the Plush Prep Mist than if you didn't do it without it. I should have actually left part of my face so that you could see it without spraying it. But look how easy it is to blend the contour now that I've sprayed it with the Plush Prep Mist. You know, I would never have believed it, and if I hadn't tried it, because I was like, there's no way you should just spray your face after you use it. But it's so good, and I love it. So then you've already got it kind of on your brush. So don't forget to do under your jawline like this and bring the makeup down like that. And it really does aid in the blending process. And I love it. I love how it makes me feel. It also gives you like a nice little additional glow that you may not have had already. So there you go. It was so easy. And then you can just go in and do the rest of your face. I'm gonna go in with a little Renaissance. And the last thing that you can do is you can use the Plush Prep Mist to set your makeup. So when you're all done, you can spray it on your face. Another thing that's really great, that if you're at the end of the day and you wanted to refresh and you wanted to just sort of give your face a little oomph, you could go in with the Plush Prep Mist at the end of the day and just spray your face, and it just brightens it, it moisturizes it, it does. That's what it does. It refreshes your face. So it's a really good thing to have. You could have it on a plane. I believe this is TSA. If not, you could put it in a smaller bottle, and you could put that on your face, you know, as you're traveling, just to give yourself more moisture and to liven up your makeup. Or if you're not wearing makeup, just give your skin a boost. So it's a really great product, and I highly recommend it if you're looking for something that does multi-uses, that's gonna give your skin a boost and feel good too. It feels really good, and it smells good. It just smells clean. There's no like overly scented, you know, let me open it and let me see. It's just a really soft floral scent. It's very, very soft. And so if you don't like smells, you're not gonna be, you know, overwhelmed or anything by that, but it's really refreshing and clean. It's such a nice scent, and it feels really good too. So if you're interested in this product, I'll link everything down below. I highly recommend it for using with your cream foundation. It makes such a big difference in application, in your plumpness and moisture of your skin, and I love using it. So I highly recommend it. So now I need to finish my makeup and fast forward to show you what it's gonna look like at the end when I'm gonna set it. So the next time you see me, I'll have a full face of makeup on, and I'll show you how it works to spray it at the end to set your makeup. I've just finished doing my eye makeup, finished my face, put on a little lip gloss, and at this point, I could go in again and use the Plush Prep Mist to just set it. It's just like we did earlier. Be sure to shake it up and then put it far enough away from your face that you can feel it. It smells delicious. You can go in and dry it with a fan if you want, or let it air dry. It is a great way to refresh your makeup at the end of the day. And if you are feeling like, oh, I should wash my face, you don't necessarily have to wash your face. You could just spray your face. You could fix the little areas that you wanted, you know, go in and blend a little bit, maybe add a little bit more blush, you know, refresh your lips, etc. You know, something like that. You're all done and ready to go for your next event. I love this product. It's great to find things that are different, that do many, many different things. So if you're interested in the Plush Prep Mist, I will put it down below. It is kind of a tongue twister, Plush Prep Mist. It's hard to say over and over again. But anyway, I'll link it down below if you're interested in this product. It's great. I love the scent. It's really soft, floral, very clean, and I love how it feels on my skin. So let me look. Yeah, it's awesome. It also gives you a nice little glow, so there's nothing wrong with that either. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Let me know below if you like this kind of video, which is kind of like a one product spotlight. It's kind of fun to sort of do that as a change. And yeah, if you're interested in other beauty or hair or any kind of videos, you'll get notified when no videos go up. So thank you so much for being here, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.